In the endless blue sky, I like to fly so high, to have a great sight on such a beautiful height. But I'm trapped here as a caged bird.
Dear, may I have a glass of water, please?
Father, uh, I, I want to ask if I can go to city to search for a job.
My God, what are you talking about? A woman should stay at home, just like this caged bird, and it's their duty to follow the ritual. Now, both of you are impeccable precious jewels to this house, and I can't allow you both for your freedom.
Oh, father, this is not fair. Please don't make me chained as a caged bird. I want to live a free life where I can fly under the sunshine without any fear. I want to be upright and marvel in my life. It will help me to grow my self esteem. Thus, no birds should be chained. Dreams can really come true if you offer your whole might.